The Indian wild dog, or dhole, is an endangered species found in India's forests. The Yangtze River dolphin, once abundant in China's Yangtze River, is now critically endangered. With the Saiga antelope, with its unique large nose, once roamed across Eurasian steppes. But the Pinta giant tortoise, once native to the Galapagos Islands, was declared extinct after the Spix's macaw, once thought extinct in the wild, has made a comeback through conservation efforts. The Addax antelope, a desert-dwelling species native to the Sahara, is critically endangered. The booble hartebeest, once native to North Africa, is now extinct. With its unique appearance and horn, the vaquita, the world's smallest porpoise, is critically endangered with fewer than 10 individuals left. The Venezuelan poodle moth, a newly discovered species, has a unique poodle-like appearance. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, is found in oceans worldwide and continues to face threats from the pygmy three-toed sloth, found only on Panama's Isla Escudo, is critically endangered. The white-headed vulture, native to East Africa, faces extinction due to habitat loss, poaching, and the Sunda pangolin is critically endangered, trafficked for its scales, which has caused its rapid The Yunnan golden monkey, with its vibrant fur, is found in China's Yunnan province. The Madagascar fish eagle, one of the rarest birds of prey, is critically endangered due to coastal. The mountain gorilla, found in the Virunga Mountains, is critically endangered but slowly recovering. The kakapo parrot, a flightless bird from New Zealand, is critically endangered, with fewer than the giant anteater, native to South America, is vulnerable due to habitat loss and hunting. The red panda, found in the Himalayas, is endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. The Sumatran orangutan is critically endangered due to deforestation and illegal hunting. The Pacific angel shark hides beneath sand, a rare predator disappearing fast. The African wild ass survives harsh deserts, now critically endangered. The greater adjutant stork towers over wetlands, facing extinction. The Philippine crocodile rests quietly, one of the world's rarest crocodiles. The Madagascar pochard swims calmly, rescued from near extinction. The rollaway monkey watches silently, critically endangered in West Africa. The plowshare tortoise moves slowly, among Earth's rarest reptiles. Jerdon's courser remains elusive, rarely seen in open grasslands. The Somali wild ass endures rocky deserts close to extinction. The red-handed howler monkey calls loudly across shrinking forests. The Philippine eagle watches forests below, powerful yet critically endangered. The Gobi bear survives deserts, one of Earth's rarest bears. The Sri Lankan leopard rests silently, an island predator under threat. The northern white rhinoceros stands remembered, a warning of extinction. The golden langur leaps forests, found only in limited regions. The flat-headed cat hunts wetlands, rarely photographed alive. The Indian skimmer flies low, its beak slicing water. The giant panda eats bamboo, symbol of global conservation. The Ethiopian wolf pup learns survival among rarest canids. The vaquita surfaces briefly, nearing disappearance forever. The Ethiopian bale monkey lives quietly in bamboo forests, threatened by farming and habitat loss. The gharial rests along wide rivers, its narrow snout perfectly adapted for catching fish. The snow leopard watches Himalayan cliffs, a ghost of the mountains surviving extreme cold. The Bornean orangutan swings through rainforests, losing its home to rapid deforestation. The vaquita swims silently in the Gulf, now one of the rarest mammals alive. The black-footed ferret returned from extinction, surviving through dedicated conservation programs. The Javan rhinoceros stands in jungle rivers, with fewer than 100 remaining. The red panda moves carefully through snowy branches, forests disappearing each year. The Irrawaddy dolphin surfaces near coasts, endangered by fishing nets and pollution. The Amma leopard roams snowy forests, one of the rarest big cats. The African wild dog hunts in packs, one of Africa's most endangered predators. The Sumatran tiger moves silently through forests, fighting for survival. The blue whale surfaces oceans, the largest animal ever known. The pygmy hippopotamus hides in forests, far rarer than its cousin. The Philippine tarsier watches at night, its enormous eyes glowing. The saiga antelope migrates steppes, populations rising and falling dramatically. The green sea turtle glides reefs threatened by pollution and nets. The Amur tiger roams snowy forests, one of the rarest. The black rhinoceros walks savannas, heavily targeted by poachers. The axolotl regenerates limbs, yet survives only in limited waters. The okapi hides deep forests, a shy relative of giraffes. The binturong climbs trees, a rare rainforest mammal. The black-footed cat hunts at night, Africa's smallest wild cat. The shoebill waits silently, its massive beak built for hunting. The Goliath frog sits riversides, the largest frog on Earth. The sifaka leaps between trees, found only in Madagascar. The markhor climbs mountains, famous for its twisted horns. The Pallas's cat survives cold steppes, rarely seen by humans. The glass frog reveals organs, a transparent rainforest wonder. The pink fairy armadillo burrows deserts, one of the rarest mammals. High in the Himalayas, the silent ghost watches, unseen, untouchable, surviving where nothing else. Deep in Congo's rainforest, this gentle giant walks softly, but its presence shakes the forest. The Asian unicorn, rarely seen, almost mythical, one of the world's most mysterious animals alive, the largest creature ever on Earth, yet it glides silently through the ocean like a living planet. Small, shy, and incredibly rare, this tree-dwelling beauty survives high in the mountain forests. With a long, narrow snout, this ancient river hunter waits patiently beneath the silent water, one of the world's most powerful eagles, ruling the rainforest skies with unmatched strength and vision. A creature that never grows up, this smiling salamander can regrow its body parts like a peaceful family hidden in the mist, powerful, emotional, and closer to humans than you think. The rarest marine mammal on Earth, only a few remain, quietly disappearing from our oceans. In Central Asia's cold steppes, this fluffy wildcat survives with a grumpy face and silence. High on Ethiopian cliffs, these social monkeys graze together, living in one of Africa's highest habitats. With long legs and deadly kicks, this unique bird hunts snakes across Africa's open savanna. In dark swamp forests, this rare crocodile swims quietly with its long, narrow snout above water. In dense rainforests, this striped antelope hides silently, one of Africa's most beautiful yet rare. With bright white feathers and yellow crest, this parrot survives through strong conservation protection. In shallow tropical seas, this sea turtle glides gently over sandy ocean floors. A tree-dwelling snake with bright green scales, known for its dangerous but shy nature. This social predator hunts in packs, moving together through forests with speed and coordination. A young swamp giant in the making, growing into one of the world's most unusual birds. In Southeast Asia's wetlands, this rare cat hunts fish along muddy riverbanks under dense rainforest. With a silver mane and black face, this monkey lives high in India's rainforest canopies. In swampy wetlands, this giant bird guards its chick carefully among tall reeds. This long-snouted crocodile basks quietly on riverbanks, perfectly adapted for catching fish. Running low through tall grass, this deer moves like a hog across open floodplains. The tallest flying bird forms lifelong pairs, standing gracefully together in wetlands. At night, this sea turtle returns to shore, digging nests to lay eggs in sand. A highly venomous snake, lying coiled on dry ground, ready to strike when threatened. Adapted to open scrublands, this wolf hunts in small packs under hot, dry conditions. With patterned feathers, this ground bird blends perfectly into dry forest floors and grasslands.